These oatmeal cookies are one of the healthiest and easiest cookies that we can make at home. It's gluten free, full of fibers and goodness of whole grain oats. And another thing that you will love about this recipe is that we can make them with only 5 ingredients that are mostly already present in our pantry, and we don't need to use a hand mixer or any special equipments, and we don't need to wait for the dough to chill before baking. And so we can make these delicious cookies in less than 30 minutes. And in this video, let's see how to make this simple and tasty oatmeal cookies in 3 simple steps. Here I've taken 1.5 cups of quick cooking oats. We can use rolled oats as well. And in this recipe, we are using coarsely ground oats. So let's pulse this oats in a food processor so that we get coarsely ground oats. So let's start making our cookie dough. Into a bowl, I'm adding half a cup of butter, which is at room temperature. You can see it's soft and pliable. And then I'm adding 1/4 of a cup of sugar. We can use brown sugar as well. And now with the help of a spatula, I'm mixing and combining them together so that the sugar gets evenly distributed in the butter. And now I'm adding an egg and whisk them together. Here for flavoring our cookie, I'm using half a teaspoon of vanilla sugar. We can use vanilla extract or other flavors like cinnamon powder or cardamom powder, and combine them all together. And now let's add the coarsely ground oatmeal into this and mix and form our cookie dough. As this is a very thick cookie dough, we don't need any chilling before shaping the cookie. And so let's scoop and shape our cookies. I've greased the spoon with oil so that the dough can be easily released from the spoon. And I'm using 1 tablespoon sized spoon to scoop the cookie dough. So scoop the dough and place it on a parchment lined baking tray. These cookies will puff up a little while we bake and will not spread much. So we need to flatten the top of these cookies with the help of a spatula or a fork. And to make them look more appealing, we can top them with some nuts or raisins. Here I just topped them with some pecans and some chopped almonds and pistachios, and with some raisins and chocolate chips. And now they are ready to go into the oven. So bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes or until the edges start to get golden brown in color. These cookies are delicious, gluten-free and not overly sweet. And with this small amount of ingredients, we can make 15 oat cookies. And they were all great, and most favorite for my kids were the ones topped with chocolate chips. And I love the cookies topped with raisins. And we can top them with our favorite ingredients. And all those cookies got finished in a few minutes. And I hope you found this cookie recipe recipe, healthy and simple and easy to make. And I hope you will make this at home, and I hope everybody will love it. And if you like this video, please give your valuable thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love homemade cookies. And thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.